Okay. Yes, sorry about that. I didn't hear you.
Regarding TV services?
On my direct TV?
Yes.
No, I have no complaints at all.
And then about latest promotional offer.
What's the latest promotional offer?
The customer who is paying more than $100 bill every month, we're offering 40% discount on his bills.
Oh, really? And how do I get that?
As I'm speaking with William Jansen.
Yes, you are.
Okay. And your address is 1620 Galador.
You're not a real company, are you?
Sorry?
I said you're not a real company, are you? You're not even in the United States, are you? Because that's not how you say that.
Sir, it's 1620 Galador.
Gala, what's the last part?
Galador.
Gala DR. Do you know what that's an abbreviation for? That means I'm a doctor, right? And I get the respect of a doctor, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what do you want? What do you want?
Number 217-222-3385 is associated with your account.
Yep, it sure is.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I am not a person, so you have to pay anything. I'm not someone who have to pay. You will receive a call back from the AT&T, and then, with your permission, they will apply the discounts on your account. Okay?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. Now, with your permission, I am going to apply for the discount. Okay? And you will receive a call back from AT&T next 24 hours. Is this fine for you?
Wow, what kind of script are you reading off of right now, anyway?
Sir, I'm speaking from America. Try to understand.
No, you're actually not. You're not from America, are you? Where are you calling me from? Be honest. Where are you calling me
I'm
from?
in America.
Okay, why don't you just be honest
I'm
with
in
me?
America.
Okay, then why did you call me? Okay, why did you call me on my mother's phone number?
It's William Jansen.
No, it's not. This is this is what we call the scam line because you're live in front of the world right now. And any of the scammers, when they get a hold of this number, it's a Trojan horse, which means we already know you're a scam. I just want to know where you're actually calling from.
Just give me a moment.
Give you a moment. So you could try to scam me. We're going to give you a moment.
Yes, hello?
Yes, how can I help you?
Yes, I'm talking to Mr. William.
No, this is what this line's called, but I would like to know where you're calling me from.
All right, so we are running a survey on behalf of AT&T.
No, you're not. Why don't you tell me where you're really calling me from?
Sir, it's a survey call. We just want to know, do you have any complaint regarding your TV services, or you are satisfied with it?
Okay.
That's all we want to know.
No, it's not, because this number is what we refer to as a scam call. And I'd like to know where you're actually calling me out of right now. So just to be honest with me, I mean, you're not calling on AT&T because I've never had AT&T. And you're calling a number that we only put out to fake numbers that actually scam people. So we're already aware you're a scam. I just want to know where you're actually calling me from.
All right.
The name and number, that just automatically shows me you're a scam because you don't even know who you're calling.
The number that we have called is 217 3385. Is this the same number?
No, that's the number you called. And you had and you actually called me with my mother's phone number, which came up as mom. And you then started telling me that I'm some guy that we put that name in just for all scammers whenever they call. We actually put it in the database as a name that we know that you're a scammer. In other words, the name you used showed me right away you're a scammer.
So actually, we haven't called you before. It's the first time that we have called you.
Yeah, so where'd you get my number from then?
So it's in our directory. Basically, it's a survey call. I have already let you know. We are conducting just a survey. We are not selling anything. We are not taking anything. It's just a survey or feedback call. If you want the discounts on your TV bill,
What country are you calling me from? What country are you calling me from?
I'm calling from San Diego.
You're calling me from the country of San Diego.
No, the country. I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Definitely, you can see where I'm calling from.
Yeah, you're calling me from my mother's phone number, and so I'm asking you what country you're calling me from.
I'm calling from United States, definitely.
You're calling me from the United States. Okay. So I've got AT&T on my other phone right now, and they basically said that I should hang up because this is a major scam that's going around right now, and at no time to ever give them any information.
So, okay, all right. So if it is a scam, that we are not taking anything from you, right?
Wrong. That's not exactly how the scams work. I already know how the scams work. You're calling to get information out of me, which somehow you got the information of this number because you got it from another scam.
How can we get the information? So can you please elaborate that?
Easy. When anybody calls with a scam and you give them their number, then they sell that information. It's called spoofing. You then use other people's phone numbers to call me. You called me on my mom's phone number. How did you call me on my mom's phone number then? I'm waiting for an answer. The number that came up on my phone, excuse me, Mr. Foreign Guy, the number that came up on my phone was my mom's phone number. You called me from my mom's phone number. So tell me how you're using my mom's number.
So it's associated with the account.
I don't have any accounts with anybody. And this phone here is only accounted for all the scam calls that are out there. So in other words, you got my number from the scammers and you use my mother's phone number to call me. How? I'd like to know how.
All right, so we all done with it. That's your time is expired now.
My time's not up. Oh no, you're on my time. I'm on your time. I'm gonna waste your time like you waste mine. So let's see. What number did they call me on? Shall we call them back, everybody? I say we call them back. Boy. Oh, they want to play now. Okay, let's play. We like playing, everybody, right? There we go. Oh, they want to play a little game now. But neither one of them, by the way, they couldn't even figure out what DR meant, everybody. So that's actually funny. That's a big key right there. If you don't understand what DR means. Oh, they're going to keep hanging up on me now. Let's have some fun with it. I don't know. I think today I want to have a little fun. Okay, we're going to do it with my other phone. All right, we're going to call with the other phone. Let's see here. 571 250 6548 and let's call up. Let's have some fun.
The number you called was busy. Please try again later.
So, anyway, these are the numbers. They're scammers. They couldn't even speak decent English on that one. The guy couldn't even pronounce any of our names, everything. And they kept saying that they're with AT&T. Then they changed it. They put it over to somebody else because he's not getting his script down. So, in other words, they can't take advantage of anybody. Don't be taken in by these people. They are all fake. They are all fake. They use numbers. They basically call you to scam you. When he's sitting there saying, how are we not asking for it? No, you were asking me about my ATM. By the way, I don't have DirecTV. Just so everybody knows that. And they basically play this little game. Let's see if he'll try one more time. Yeah, they keep hanging up on me. That's what's the funny part is. They know I'm calling, and they have only a couple numbers in. So if anybody wants to call, 571-250-6548. Call them up, scam them, mess with them like they're messing with all of our citizens of the United States. They're sitting there, they think they can take advantage of all Americans, and they think that it's okay. 6548. So this is a scam number. There you go. I just put it on there. Let's see what it says. Oh, so now they want to keep hanging up on me because they got to scam other people. All right, everybody.